Wakenya wengi wanaumia kabisa na tuna huruma.
For more than 3 weeks, ODM party leader Raila Odinga withdrew and avoided physical contact with members of the public after being diagnosed with COVID-19.
Najua wakati huu ni wakati mgumu kwa taifa letu.
Odinga, who still hasn't recovered his voice fully, is rumored to have been in a critical state and at one point even flew out of the country for further treatment.
It just comes and you find yourself feverish and getting a little bit weak. And then when they do the test, then they find that you are positive. Na nimekaa nyumbani kwa wiki mbili, wiki moja nilikuwa hapo Nairobi hospital.
Speaking at State House, Nairobi, Odinga supported strategies by the government to control the spread of coronavirus, especially during the Easter season, with President Uhuru Kenyatta making it clear that his actions will remain in place despite complaints from members of the public.
And as to when these measures will be removed and we can go back to normal, which is our prayer every single day, depends on how we are able to flatten this curve. When will we be able to get to an infection rate that has gone to a high of almost 27% in those counties that I've mentioned, back down to below 5%.
Elsewhere, the presentation of the AstraZeneca vaccine is still ongoing. To date, 74,698 health workers have already been vaccinated, as well as 14,364 security officers and 24,615 teachers.
The government expects to receive another 2.5 million doses of vaccines next month. In total, we expect to receive about 20 million doses from the COVAX facility this calendar year.
Nobody who has taken their first dose, and that I can give you complete assurance, is going to miss out on their second dose.
In addition to controlling the state of health sector in various counties, the chairman of the Council of Governors, Martin Wambora, says that a plan is underway to ensure that 4.6 billion shillings provided by the World Bank under the Kenya Devolution Support Program KDSP has been disbursed by the National Treasury to all counties.
We are really not knowing exactly what is the problem. There are a lot of excuses by CS National Treasury that there are some counties which are not spending, but I think that is just an excuse because there is no county which is not spending money. We have formed that committee which is engaging him on a weekly basis.
In the meantime, 984 people have been infected with coronavirus in the last 24 hours, with 388 people recovering over the same period. In addition, 14 people have been reported dead, 2 of whom have died in the last 24 hours. The total number of deaths has now reached 2,167.
A total of 1,557 patients are currently admitted in various health facilities countrywide.
Ben Kerera, K24, Evening Edition.